Yes, it is possible to start a business without any cash at all. Assuming that you already have some basic equipment and marketable skills, you can begin generating an extra income by starting an online business. This could include things such as cleaning. In other words, if you enjoy cleaning and you also like helping people, consider how to start a business from home that includes cleaning. You will need to look for businesses that offer a free trial or a money-back guarantee. This will help you get a feel for the business and how to do it on a budget. A free or low-cost startup means that you don't have to spend much of your own money to get started. So long as you are prepared to invest some money, though, the results should be worthwhile. The downside of how to start a business without money is that you are likely not as good at handling customer service issues as you would be had you invested some money in equipment and training. However, this is all right, especially if you already have these skills. Customer service skills are learned, so just consider how to start a business with no money that involves meeting new people and selling services. You might want to consider a home-based business. Although not all home-based businesses are successful, there are many that do very well. These businesses are ones where you don't have to pay rent and you only use a portion of your home for business purposes. Some businesses include things such as taking photos and producing digital images, writing online content and submitting it to the web, running a home medical center, and others. There are other ways of starting a home business that don't involve spending any money. One of these is affiliate marketing. This is an online business where you sell other people's products. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to worry about inventory, order processing, or having a good location. What you are worried about is how to start a business with no money. As long as you can prove that you know how to do something, you can become a successful online business person without spending a lot of money. However, you will probably have to invest in a bit of software. In most cases, this will include a website that has ads that people can click on and which directs them to your product. If you are going to try to work with free methods of advertising, keep in mind that you will not make much money unless you attract a large number of customers. This means you have to put some money into the business to get started. For the most part, everything you need to get started with an online business can be obtained for free. There are a lot of companies that offer services like these. Some of them require you to get a membership while others just provide the tools you need. Some of these include templates for websites and other promotional materials. All you have to do is learn how to set them up and how to market them. Once you learn how to start a business with no money, there will always be a way to get started with another method. When you want to start a business with no money, there are several ways to go about doing so. You should take your time when looking around for these different businesses because you want to find one that has the best deal for you. This can be determined by how much money you have available to spend. The other thing to consider is how much you plan on promoting the business. While some businesses may cost more to promote than others, it will generally all add up in the end.